The first retro scrambler from the Bavarian firm, the 2025 BMW R12 G/S. In the 45 years since the first R80 G/S, BMW has continued to refine the design and performance of its big flat twin on/off-road vehicles, culminating in the current R1300 GS, a high-tech, 145 horsepower adventure tourer that's easily one of the best motorcycles you can buy today. Of course, there's a full lineup of GS models today, from the G310 single to the F800/900 twins to the R1300 Adventure. But for this model, BMW has returned to its roots. This is a replacement for the company's old RnineT Urban G/S, which was based on the company's previous retro RnineT platform, and it features some styling cues that harken back to the original G/S models. This was a great bike with a fun combination of style, engine and chassis, and the Munich firm has followed suit with its new retro platform, the R12. This engine/chassis was launched last year as an update of the old RnineT with Euro 5 emissions capabilities and more advanced electronics. However, it still has its roots in the old 1,170 cubic centimeters oil/air-cooled 8-valve DOHC boxer powerplant, which dates back to the first R1200 GS more than 20 years ago. And here it is, with a new G/S look, sans the Urban badge. The G/S moniker was the original name, used only on the first R80 Adventure bikes, so even the name dates back to the 1980s. The technology is all in 2025, and the new R12 G/S looks set to go as well as it looks. The Boxer engine has a high power setting, 109 horsepower peak power, as seen in the R12-9T and R12S, compared with 95 horsepower from the basic R12. This comes from a capacity of 1,170 cubic centimeters with a bore of 101 mm and a stroke of 73 mm, and 4 radial valves per cylinder with chain-driven dual overhead camshafts. The compression ratio is 12:1, there is a new classic cam cover design, and the 2-in-1 left exhaust system features a high-mounted rear silencer made of stainless steel with matte black painted accents. There are also chrome-plated headers and titanium silencers available from the factory. BMW says it has also worked hard on the chassis, giving a road-going machine great off-road potential. The main chassis is a steel tube bridge-style space frame and steel tube rear subframe, which has fewer bolted connections than the old RnineT. The rear continues with BMW's paralever single-sided swing arm and shaft drive, of course, but you also get a fully adjustable monoshock here. There's plenty of leeway for off-road madness if you need it, 210 mm of wheel travel up front and 200 mm out back. The wheels are also a statement of dirty intent. As standard you get a proper 21-inch front with 90/90 tires and a 150/70/17 rear tire with cross-spoke aluminium all-terrain rims. Need more grit? There's an optional 18-inch rear wheel that you can pop right in as part of the Enduro Package Pro. Brakes are from Brembo, with twin 310 mm discs clamped by dual-piston sliding calipers up front. The big old Boxer engine, shaft drive and steel frame mean the new R12 G/S is a bit heavy at 229 kilograms, but it's ready to ride, and the seat height is quite high at 860 mm, or 875 mm with the Enduro Pro package. So it's probably not for the squat novice off-roader. The new R12 G/S features a full range of modern kit, including 3 riding modes, rain, road and enduro, as standard. It also comes with dynamic traction control, DTC, which can be switched off for off-road use. Also standard are engine brake control, MSR, BMW Motorrad ABS Pro, keyless ignition, a new round speedometer display unit with optional micro TFT instrument cluster, up/down quickshifter and tire pressure monitoring system. Other options include emergency call telematics function, Bluetooth phone connectivity, FAR Pro adaptive headlights and more. So, the new R12 G/S looks like a new retro scrambler, ready to compete in the vein of the Ducati Desert X and Triumph Scrambler 1200. It has real heritage with the R80 G/S connection, looks great, especially in the sand/red paint scheme, and is very up-to-date in terms of technology and performance. It's a bit on the bulky side, at 14,420 pounds initial. It's not cheap, and the 15.5-litre fuel tank is a bit underwhelming for high-mileage enthusiasts. But in its current form, the latest G/S looks set to be a real hit, in that and other realities. The new 2025 BMW R12 G/S will be available in the summer, with prices starting from £14,420.